Welcome to my channel. Let's now watch Hawaiian Paradise in GRS Fantasy Park in Mysore. The Hawaiian Paradise at GRS Fantasy Park in Mysore is a Hawaii-themed interactive water play system that spans approximately 26,000 square feet. It is designed to delight visitors of all ages. It features a variety of water attractions including giant tilting buckets, water jets, umbrellas, cannons, guns, curtains, and large water slides.
ಒಂದು 2 ನಿಮಿಷ ಗೋ ಮಡಿಯ
I hope you enjoyed this video on Hawaiian Paradise. Thank you for watching and wish you a good day.